Okay, right. So, good evening for all. So, what I do today, so I want to create a event which with a Terraform. Okay. So, Terraform, basically it's a infrastructure as a code. Okay, we write the code and we deploy in AWS. So that will create a event bridge and everything. So I quickly go to event bridge, and I will show you like what are the things that it will create. So it will create event buses, it create rules, it create archives. Okay, we'll talk about replace later. So what I want to create these three. Okay, with the use of Terraform. Let's say go to here. I have one server where where the Terraform is already installed. So I'll come to the server. Go to EC2 instance connect. Okay. So now what will happen? Let's say Terraform you can install Windows machine or Linux machine. You can install. You can check. Okay, so you can check whether let's say it's already installed. You can type Terraform. So you can see the commands here. Okay, so now quickly go and deploy using Terraform. Okay, AWS EventBridge. So what I will do, I go to here, just type Terraform from AWS EventBridge. Okay, EventBridge. So this will open modules, register.terraform.io EventBridge. Okay, it is modules. So there's a lot of modules provided here. This is the code. Okay, you can download this code using git clone. Code, take this, copy this, and git clone. As you know, like how to download to server. I think I have downloaded already. So you can see this is my code. Terraform AWS EventBridge. Okay, in this code you can see you can download that one, but what I did actually that is not required. Okay, download or even not required. Okay, because I think Terraform init, as you know, if you type Terraform init, what it will do? If you download the modules, okay, from your whatever you mentioned in the main.ts, right? So you can see ls-al. So you can see .terraform folder. You can go to .terraform. You can go to modules. Okay, in these modules you can go to EventBridge module. In this EventBridge you can see the same code, im.tf, main.tf, output.tf, example versions, changelog.md, 3, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9 files. I think same files. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, same files. It will turn it down from here itself. Okay. So now we have a code. We have a code. Now what we want to do? Okay, I want to spin. Let's say go to here. Terraform AWS. I want to create EventBridge. EventBridge create. Okay, there's the resources. If you go to this link, you can find the resources. Come down. You can see here. See, it will create. It will take from this module. Okay, source. This is the source. Okay, so it will create a bus, it will create a rules, it will create a targets, everything. So I want to create, let's say I have already the code. Let's say I'll go to my GitHub. Okay, I have already code. I'll show my code first. Okay, I have this EventBridge repository. Then you can access this repository. If you go to my code, so not main.tf, where you can see this is the code. So we are using EventBridge module source, it's coming from the module, right? And you can know bus name I given my bus, and targets false I made. Okay, now only targets for me, and rules I created a rule. Okay, and I create archives as well. So archives, retention days, description, these are the patterns. Okay, so this will create for me as you know, bus it will create rules, it create archives. There is 3 things it will do. So quickly I'll go to here and I'll deploy. Okay, so cd, I'll go to ls, I'll go to cd Terraform AWS EventBridge. Okay, I'll type ls, I'll go to va.main.tf, where I can check once again. So EventBridge will create rules, create archives. Okay, this is the code for me. This is the basic code I have, not much deep code. So what I do, Terraform FMT, it will check whether syntax is good or not. Then you can plan you can check what are things that it's going to deploy. Okay, so in plan you can see there is a 4 changes, 4 is added. So you can check that is one of the role, AWS IAM role for EventBridge, and you can check there is a archive, there is event bus, Okay, there's event rule as well. Okay, so what we need to do? So we need to deploy this. How do you deploy? Terraform apply -auto approve. This command will help you to deploy quickly. Okay. So now what are things it will create? It will create a bus. It will create a as you know rules, and it will create a there is a one more IAM role. Okay, and one more archive. Okay, you can check Terraform stay list. So this will help you what are things are deployed. Deployed like IAM policy, CloudWatch archive, CloudWatch event bus, CloudWatch event rule. Okay, and even IAM role. So quickly go to here. I was working with Mumbai region. So you can go to EventBridge, go to Mumbai, just refresh this tab and check now what are things that is created using Terraform. So go to event buses. Okay, there's a bus created called my bus. You can see here and here. You can see rules. Rule is created for this event bus. You can go to here. You can check my bus, and there is a rule is created. I think logs rule, not logs rule. You can check cat main.ts. So they can give a name. What is the name here? Rules description capture log data. So logs rule, or you can check my bus. My bus there is a two actually. I think two rules is created. Capture log data. This is the description. This is the rule. Okay, logs rule. Okay, then you can see archives. Okay, archive you can see whatever things I created from here. Archive, you know, right? It will archive. Okay, from the few days. Okay, you can see here create archive. You can select source and you can pretension video you can select. So everything we made with the Terraform. Okay, whether it is event bus, whether it is rules, whether it is archives. Okay, so quickly I'll show you a small demo to understand better with the working with the Terraform with the EventBridge. Okay, give me 1 second. So we got it. So now what we do? Let's say we destroy this. Okay, we created these three items. One is event bus, one is rules, one is archive. Okay, there's one is option is replay. So we have to like start a new replay using the Terraform. So that we'll see later. So what I do, I will delete this. Okay, how to delete? Go to Terraform, enter this Terraform, connect EC2 instance, connect. Okay, how to destroy? Let's see when you work with the Terraform, you create using Terraform. Then you delete the using Terraform. Let's go to here, type Terraform. I think you should go this folder. Okay, Terraform AWS EventBridge, then Terraform destroy. Okay, this is the command where you like delete the resources. Okay, so there is I think you can able to delete what are the 4 we deployed at. So everything will be deleted. There is no doubt at all. Right. Okay, done. Then you can check Terraform state list. Okay, nothing will be there. Right. So I was able to delete. Okay, so what are things that we achieved? We achieved using, you can create a bus, you can create a event bridge bus, you can create a rules, you can create a rules. Okay, then you can create an archive. Create an archive for your bus. Okay, this is, there's one more option called replay. So we'll see how to create with the replay in the next video using Terraform. So any questions, feel free to ask me. So EventBridge, how EventBridge works, everything we are going to help you. Okay, thank you very much. Let's see.